Good afternoon. My name is Pragya Dwivedi, and during my internship, I worked on Spain Top 50 Songs Analysis project. The goal of this project was to study song life cycle, content maturity, and playlist rotation patterns for Atlantic Recording Corporation. I worked with daily playlist data and analyzed how songs enter, peak, stay, and exit the playlist. I also compared explicit and clean songs, singles, and album tracks, and measured churn and longevity patterns. This project helped me improve my data cleaning, analysis, and dashboarding skills. I learned how to turn raw data into insights that can support marketing and release strategy. I also understood the importance of structuring analysis clearly so that the business teams can use it easily. One challenge was normalizing song and artist names and building a consistent life cycle for each track. Another challenge was interpreting playlist movement in a way that was meaningful for business decisions. Overall, this internship was a valuable learning experience because it strengthened both my technical and analytical skills. It also gave me a better understanding of how data support music strategy. Thank you for watching.